Sinsang Taytay Laiho, my name is Minji Sanchez. I am from Pongkang Karanglan, Nueva Ecija. I am happy married. I have 2 sons, age 15, and 1 daughter, age 8. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 4 years. I serve 1 couple and 5 children, age 17, 15, 14, 11, and 11 months. My duties are cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong because to provide my needs of my children. I'm willing to take care of children and elderly. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to be my rules and regulation. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.